I'm Marisia. Today I have something to teach you about folding ribbons. That is fish. If you're ready, let's go to watch how to fold together. Let's go! First, we prepare equipment with three items: ribbon, scissors, ruler. Next, we use a ruler to measure ribbon at 50 cm and cut. We will cut ribbon into 4 pieces. First, we fold in half like this every piece. And pick one first, upside down like this. Then another one, cover first piece like this. Also this line. And last, cover this line, but put inside line like this. Now you have to present like me. Next, hold ribbon, observe me. Folding up. And light. And down. But last one you have to put inside like this. Then we will start from up. We have to light. But you have to shoot light side and put inside like this. And second, we have to do light first time. Now you have to fold closely. Then turn over. We shoot just one side of the line. You can shoot one for first, then put inside like this, and last remain one. Do same as last time. Now the tail remain light. You can cut like me. All the side by your style. Wow! Well done! Our feet finished! It's not difficult to fold, right? Thank you for watching and see you next time. I will teach you another way of folding. See you next time. Bye!